Hello and welcome to the section on dictionaries. In this section, you will be learning what is a dictionary, the need to go for a dictionary, how to create and update a dictionary in Python, and some of the operations that can be performed on a dictionary. So what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs. A dictionary is similar to that of a list. In list, to access the values of a list, you used the integer index of that list or of the value which you wanted. But in case of a dictionary, you will be using the key of the value as the index. For example, you want to store the contact numbers of your friends. So what you will do is create a dictionary. Say you have two friends by name Ben and Matthew. Ben with the contact number 1234 and Matthew with the contact number 5678. So your dictionary would contain a key called Ben associated with the value 1234 and another key called Matthew with the value 5678. So when you use your dictionary with the key as Ben, the value 1234 will be returned, and when you use your dictionary with the key as Matthew, the value 5678 will be returned. So you need to go for a dictionary when you want your value to be associated to a particular key. Now that you have understood what a dictionary is, let's go ahead and implement dictionary in Python. Let's get started by opening Python's idle environment. The syntax to define a dictionary is to have a dictionary name, an assignment operator, and then the key value pairs in curly braces. So within curly braces, I could have key1, value 1, separated by a comma, and key2, colon, value 2. Now what this does is key1 has the value 1 and the value 2 would be the value of my key 2. Now let's take a look at an example. Say I wanted to create a dictionary to map the price of a camera to its brand. Let me go ahead and create that. So it will be a dictionary to map the price of a camera to its brand. I'll call my dictionary as price of cameras, an assignment operator, and I can have the key value pairs within this dictionary. So key would be the name of the brand and value would be the price associated to that brand. So let me start by creating one for brand Sony. Say Sony has a camera which is being sold at $500. Now Sony is a string because of which it is enclosed in double quotes, and 500 is a number because of which you will not be enclosing it within quotes. Another brand which I will be having is Nikon. Say it is priced at $600. And finally I have a brand Canon which is priced at $700. Now if I take a look at my dictionary, it will have the key value pairs. Now in order to retrieve values from a dictionary, we use the concept which we earlier saw, which is indexing. But indexing in dictionary works a little different than it did for tuple, Python and strings. So in dictionaries, your index will not be an integer value, but instead it will be the keys of your dictionary. In this case, it is Sony, Nikon and Canon. So if you wanted the price of your Sony camera, you call your dictionary, which is price of cameras, and as an index, you would pass the key of your brand, which is Sony, and it returns the value 500. Now what if you wanted to update the value of a key? Say Nikon has changed the price of their camera from 600 to 800. How will you handle that situation? So you change your value by entering your dictionary name and mentioning the key to which the value needs to be changed. In this case, it is Nikon, and you assign it with the new value, which is 800. Now, if you try to print the price of your Nikon camera, let's see what the output will be. The output is 800, which is the new value that you had assigned. Now, that's the end of this lecture. You learned how to create a dictionary, how to retrieve values from a dictionary's key, and how to update a value corresponding to a dictionary's key. The next lecture is about the different operations that can be performed on a dictionary, and I'll see you there. Thank you.